Hey everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and welcome back to our follow series with the Luxe 33 EFS fifth wheel. If you missed the earlier stages in this coach's journey, I'll link those videos in the description below so you can go back and catch up. But today, we're talking about flooring. So at the last station, you might remember seeing a large spool of black material. It's a corrugated polycarbonate. That's installed in sections, and that's intentional for it allows accessibility down the line and for service. But now, let's walk through the floor structure of our coaches. First, we start off with a Darko material. This is a woven waterproof barrier, and it's the first layer of protection. Then we do the radiant astrofoil that you've seen before along the I-beams. We also do it within the floor for radiant heat. Next is residential grade batting insulation. It's a similar style insulation you might expect in a home. Then our floors are structured. So we have an aluminum welded 3-inch floor. It's fully welded, which ensures strength, durability, and reliability. And after that, we have a screwed and glued tongue and groove marine grade plywood, which creates the solid seamless surface on top. And once the floor is fully installed onto the chassis, your chosen flooring tile is laid by hand by our flooring team. Now, this isn't a rolled on vinyl or a snap in pieces. It's installed just like a residential floor tile would be. And after that, the coach is ready to move to the next stage. Thank you for following along with us as we continue building this Luxe 33 FS fifth wheel. Look forward to seeing you at the next station.